Hey everybody, Michelle with Michelle's for a Living here. Thanks for watching my videos, and it's time for vlogmas number 23, 24, and 25. Okay, so it is Christmas Day, December the 25th of 2020, and yeah, I've been baking this morning so far, so I thought I'd show you the things I was cooking today. And yeah, so I've made chocolate chip cookies. I started there, and I have a pumpkin cheesecake in the oven, and I've got the pork loin in the oven going, and I got to get on making some other things. So yeah, as for vlogmas 23, back on Wednesday I went to work and did a little shopping, grocery shopping after that to get some food together and everything. And then yesterday on Christmas Eve, the vlogmas number 24, not too much excitement. We just lazed around and watched some TV and ate some food. I guess that's about all we did. So and then today is Christmas, like I said, and it's been snowing a little bit here for us, but it isn't going to amount to anything, it doesn't look like to me. So pretty much just wanting to spend the day cooking and eating. Alright, so I got my pork loin done and the roasted potatoes and carrots and onions with that. And there's the candied sweet potatoes I made specially for Dad with Mom's recipe. I've got to get the rolls in the oven, but I'll wait on those. And here's my cheesecake that I made. It's pumpkin cheesecake. I know I didn't have a springform pan, and so I just made it in here. So I got to cut some of that so Dad can take that. And in the oven I got the Marie Callender's raspberry pie and the cheesy broccoli and cauliflower casserole baking. Alright, there's the cheesy broccoli and cauliflower casserole, all hot and bubbly out of the oven, so I'm sure it tastes wonderful. Okay, time to eat finally. So yeah, rolls, pork loin, candied sweet potatoes, the roasted potatoes and carrots and onions that came with the pork, the ambrosia, and the cheesy casserole. And then over here we have the raspberry pie for dessert. Okay, I'm all done cooking for the day, and I ate a whole lot, and it was really good, and I really enjoyed it. So I did portion out everything, parts of it, and my dad came and picked it up so him and his lady friend could have dinner, Christmas dinner also, and they didn't have to get takeout from a restaurant. They got it from takeout from Michelle. And that's what they got. So yeah, and she said she really enjoyed it, and that was us being safe for Christmas 2020, not having a big gathering. But I made foods that I wanted to eat, and it was really yummy. I still haven't had the pie or the cheesecake. Those I'll have, and I'm sure we'll have more of everything else too for dinner, supper, whatever. A second meal today. All right. Yeah, I hope you guys had a good Christmas, and yeah, I appreciate all you who hang in there with me and watch all my vlogmas videos this go around. And yeah, it's been fun getting back into making videos. All right, I'll talk to you guys later.